Donaldson with the look ahead to the holidays. Stacey.
It's looking pretty warm for this time of year, definitely, and gorgeous as well. This photo from Pete Wood sent in from the Sunrise and Steamboat this morning. It was a gorgeous start to the day. A few high clouds here across the Front Range as we look from our Lookout Mountain camera, and winds are going to be picking up overnight up in the high country and the foothills. It'll stay dry and mild here for the metro area, but temperatures way above average. Instead of in the low to mid 40s this time of year, we're going to be in the 50s and 60s to take us through the end of the week and into our holiday. Now, we do have a high wind warning for the mountains going through the overnight hours tonight and early tomorrow morning. Highs today in the 40s and 50s here for northeastern Colorado, 30s and 40s for the mountains, and also 40s and 50s toward Telluride and Durango today. 55 at DIA this afternoon, 68 the record high set in 2013, and on average we should only be around 43 degrees this time of year, making it feel a little more like the holidays out. Instead, we're in the 50s and even warmer getting into the end of the week with highs reaching the 60s. Right now we're at 49 downtown, 45 at the airport, and our winds about 13 miles an hour. Now the winds are going to pick up here just off to our west with this high wind warning in effect for the foothills and the higher elevations. It's already started at 5 p.m. and will continue through tomorrow at 6 a.m. and those wind gusts could be as high as 80 miles an hour, so keep that in mind. So far we have winds around 58 miles an hour at Berthoud Pass, 19 for Estes Park, and even Broomfield at 44, but we do not have any watches or warnings here for the metro area proper as we go through the rest of tonight. Satellite radar picture cloud cover here across the eastern plains, not much happening out through western Colorado. Our overnight lows will be in the 30s tonight with partly cloudy skies. So as we wake up tomorrow morning, temperatures will start out in the 20s and 30s here. We'll have 7 in Alamosa, 2 below for Gunnison, and 26 for Grand Junction. Mostly 20s and 30s just off to our west for those lows by tomorrow morning. And here for the Front Range, we'll have temperatures in the 30s early on tomorrow for your commute. 50 degrees by 11 a.m. and we'll really notice those winds dying down as we get through the morning hours. So it'll be clear and chilly, also breezy to start the day. And then as we get into the afternoon, more sunshine today than what we experienced yesterday. That's also going to help warm us up into the upper 50s and low 60s tomorrow afternoon. So it will be a bit warmer for the day. Temperatures here in the 50s across eastern Colorado, 47 in Alamosa, and 30s up towards Steamboat Springs and Yampa. 40s near Estes Park and into Allens Park. We'll have 50s here for the metro area, all the way up into northeastern Colorado with 40s and 50s there. Our hourly planner tomorrow, sunny skies, few high clouds, temperatures in the 50s for the day, and then we'll drop into 40s once we hit 5 p.m. So we have a big area of high pressure in control for a couple of days. Looks like it's going to help heat us up, take our temperatures into the 50s and 60s for our afternoons, and pretty dry weather on the way to take us into the end of the week. Temperatures in the 60s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And as we look ahead for Christmas, looks like 53 degrees with partly cloudy skies for the day. Looks like pretty dry weather on the way for us as we get through next week. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s here to round out our week this week. 60s over the weekend, 56 Monday, and then of course mild for Santa, 58 degrees for Christmas Eve.